Yo, what is going on, everyone in the crypto space? Today I wanted to go over a little technical analysis on what's been going on with Ripple for the past 3 days. Looks like it wants to keep moving up. But before we get into that, I do want to talk about Soros, Rothschild, and big institutional investors are wanting to enter the cryptocurrency market. So I believe it was yesterday or the day before that, Soros came out and their fund filed some sort of application to get their fund to start trading cryptocurrencies. Don't know if it's short or going long on cryptocurrency, but essentially that's still money flowing into the market. And now Rothschild is now wanting to get into cryptocurrency. And it sounds like this article saying other big institutional investors. And what's great about this is that this market is at a point right now where it's sort of stabilized at the bottom. Where if we can get enough traction of volume flowing in, that this market can take off again. And what the great thing about Soros and Rothschild, take aside the connotation, negative or positive to their name, they are still big investors. They are big multi-billionaires, probably one of the richest people literally on the earth. So now that Soros and Rothschild, both of their funds want to get into cryptocurrency, what kind of signal does this send to the rest of the billionaires and people with tons of money and big hedge funds in the world? What does that tell them? This tells them that they are looking to enter in, and this market might take a reversal and start to continue bullish and go back to where it was at an all-time high and even go past that. So what's going on here? Soros and Rothschild, big institutional investors. I mean, this is setting a signal out to the rest of the retail and institutional traders and investors in the world to now get into cryptocurrency. So let's get into Ripple and a little technical analysis. Don't really do this too much, but we are in an interesting situation. So right here, for about the last 3 days, we've had this nice, decent trend moving upward, and it's been really solid. I mean, you can see from over here, it's just going down, 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 down. Now it seems like we bottomed out, and then it's all of a sudden having this this nice slow growth right here, and you can see these long wicks when it starts to hit this point. You can see the wicks now when they're trying to sell the market sell the market down even further. So you can see on this candle right here, that's a pretty long wick. They tried to sell it down to almost it only looks like a couple cents, but that percentage wise, that's a pretty good amount. So they tried to sell it down and got bought right back up. It comes down again. They keep trying to push it down, but it just keeps getting bought back up and is still trending upwards slowly. So it looks like it wants to break this 50-cent line anytime soon. I think technically, I'm not sure if this is a fundamentally correct ascending triangle, but either way, it's looking pretty strong, like it wants to move up. So the thing here is that what's also funny about this, not funny, but just kind of weird, is that XRP is trending up and the volume is going down. The volume, if we go to CoinMarketCap, the overall volume and the volume for Ripple, just super low. And the fact that the volume is going down and the price is still kind of slowly trending up, and it's in an ascending triangle, this means if we could just get a couple billion more dollars of volume per day pumped into this market, we could definitely start getting out of this bottomed consolidation phase and start actually moving upwards back to at least half of the all-time high. So that's a very good sign to me that if the volume is going down and the price is still heading up, that there's good buying pressure. If volume's going down, usually the price goes down. But if volume's going down and the price is moving up, that means if we can get an influx of volume into this market, it could easily take off. And now all the FUD is kind of gone. Institutional investors are wanting to step in. You know, it overall looks good for the cryptocurrency market in general. But Ripple specifically, I have no doubt in mind that it'll do great in the future. But just in terms of technical analysis for other cryptocurrencies, I think we're at a point now where we've just bottomed out at the bottom of the market and have just consolidated and now starting to trend up a bit. But I mean, seriously, I don't mean to keep mentioning it, but the fact that the volume's going down and it's trending up, I think that's a good sign. We just get a little bit of volume in here, market will start creeping up. The Google searches will start coming in again for how to buy Bitcoin. That'll start to rise. It'll start to creep up in value. News media will post about, oh, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency rising up again, and that'll just create the whole cycle again and hopefully hit a new all-time high. So thank you guys for watching this video. You can follow my Twitter at AlexCobb_ or check the link in the description. Pick up a lot of Nano S to keep that cryptocurrency safe. So make sure to drop a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.